Wastewater treatment plants need skilled workers to operate efficiently and effectively. Bayport Technical's Wastewater Working Demonstrator is a training aid designed to give maintenance and operations personnel in wastewater treatment facilities an introduction to the workings and various methods of modern wastewater treatment. People using the Wastewater Working Demonstrator will gain valuable experience with industrial wastewater treatment equipment, such as reservoirs, clarifier tanks, pumps, aerators, and air compressors. In this demonstration, learners can see how water is separated from leaves and sand. Wastewater treatment is an important industrial process in facilities all across the country. When we think of wastewater, we often think of sewage, which is wastewater from domestic household activities. However, the definition of wastewater is much broader than that. Wastewater can be defined as any water that has been contaminated in some way by human use, whether from domestic, industrial, commercial, or agricultural sources. For example, industrial wastewater is generated by a wide variety of industries and their activities, including processing and cooling waters used in hydraulic fracturing, water byproducts of oil and natural gas production, and waste from food, beverage, pharmaceutical, chemical, and pesticide manufacturing. Depending upon the source, wastewater can contain various types of chemical, biological, and physical pollutants. Proper management of wastewater requires its careful collection and treatment before reuse or disposal. Wastewater treatment consists of various processes for contaminant removal to produce an effluent that can be returned to the water cycle. For example, common wastewater treatment processes include phase separation, such as sedimentation, biological and chemical treatments, like oxidation, and polishing. Visit Bayport Technical's website to learn more about the Wastewater Working Demonstrator, as well as the wide variety of other technical training products available.